Siacoin Holders doing a very big mistake at this time. My friends, please don't do this mistake. If you do this mistake, so you are in the loss. And if you don't do this mistakes, absolutely my friends, you will get a much profit from the Siacoin. Keep watch this video for more details. And remember my friends, click the subscribe button now for more this kind of news and updates videos. Let's move on and let's see what's going on in the Siacoin, my friends. First of all, we look the latest update of the Siacoin, and after that we discuss that what's going on, what is the mistake of the Siacoin. Now my friends, the latest price of the Siacoin in the market is 0.019596 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Siacoin in the market. On the other side, you can see that if we look the price changes occurred in the Siacoin. So absolutely my friends, the last 1 hour price change is positive, except of the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, last 1 week price change is negative. Only the last 1 hour price change is positive, my friends. And as you know, it is the end of month, and these days the every cryptocurrency is fast down, my friends. Let me show if it's on the price chart what's going on in the Siacoin. You can see, my friends, now in the previous time they start jumping, but you can see in the last on 27 May the falling time of the Siacoin are start now. So my friends, in the end of month, every month the cryptocurrencies falls down, my friends. Not only Siacoin, Cardano, XRP, Ripple, Dogecoin, WeChat, a lot of cryptocurrencies falls down, my friends, because the short-term investor going to sell coin and they want profit from these coins. So that is why the price falls down, rise fast down. So now at this time you can see that is the last 1 month price chart of the Siacoin. And if we look, the price changes occurs in the Siacoin in the last 1 month. So you can see a negative 54.95% price falls down. My friends, the price change is still negative, so this means that you are in the loss. For instance, if you decide to sell Siacoin at this time, so absolutely my friends, you are in the loss, because the price change occurs in the Siacoin in the last 1 month is still negative. On the other side, if you decide to hold, my friends, absolutely my friends, maybe in the future they have a lot of chances to they take a huge pump and they will give you good amount of profit. So that is why personally I recommend for everyone to it's a perfect time to hold Siacoin. Don't decide to sell Siacoin because the last 1 month pricing is negative, so you are in the loss. Don't decide to sell, it's time to hold, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Siacoin? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates video.